In primetime news this evening, murder and arson in St. James not politically motivated, says police high command.
Crash victim who lost her leg while campaigning shares her ordeal after being released from hospital.
And stakeholders left underwhelmed after first local government election debate on Thursday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A little later on, we'll have the Financial Week, Jamaica's procurement policy framework launched. We'll have that story.
Right, and Jordan Fort is here. He'll give you a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, the Jamaica Scorpions, they got a well-needed, for them, the win in the Regional 4-Day Championship, breaking a long drought. 2 years it's been since they've won a game in that competition. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports Friday.
Thanks, Jordan. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on last night's debates?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.